Under a blanket of 1,000 stars, a tiny basket drifted into the emerald heart of the jungle. A lone wolf discovered the fragile bundle, nudging the wailing infant ashore. The pack embraced him, naming him Mowgli. Mowgli grew under the wisdom of Baloo the bear and Bagheera the panther. Baloo taught him the law of the jungle, while Bagheera instilled the vigilance needed to survive. Together, they blended human intelligence with animal instinct. Shere Khan returned, his roar chilling the ancient trees. "Humans don't belong here," he snarled. The jungle trembled, but Mowgli did not. "We need a plan." Baloo sighed. Mowgli's eyes ignited. "Let's use fire! He fears it!" The animals rallied. Armed with a blazing branch, Mowgli stood his ground. "Leave this jungle!" he commanded. Terrified by the flickering heat, the great tiger turned and fled into the darkness. A symphony of relief erupted. "That's my brave man cub!" Baloo beamed. Mowgli was now a bridge between two realms. The jungle would never forget its human son.